Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing OS and immediately checking where Python is running. os.chdir. Once done, prepare an absolute path string to the folder you want. You call os.chdir /full/path/to/dir to change the process working directory. Do this early in your script so subsequent file operations run in the expected location, otherwise file lookups may fail. Make sure the directory exists and confirm permissions before you move on. Once you call os.chdir, immediately verify success by checking os.getcould or pathlib. Path, CWD, this confirms Python's working directory changed. If you need robust handling, wrap the chdir call in try/except and handle file not found error or permission error so the script can fail gracefully. When constructing paths, use os, path, obspath, and os, path, join to avoid relative path ambiguity and to normalize separators. This prevents platform-specific mistakes and keeps file operations predictable. To finalize, place os.chdir at the top of your main script or set the working directory in your IDE run configuration so every run uses the same folder. Understand that chdir only affects the current process. If you need module discovery, adjust Python path or use package imports instead. If you encounter permission error or file not found error, verify the path string, check file system permissions and ownership, and rerun with correct privileges or fix the path. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.